The deer.
They chew it, and then they dig back to the nest and throw it out to the baby's nest. And then
Accuracy probably isn't there.
Then I went in there.
He's up there panting. He done expended a lot of energy. That's why he went over there to the shade so he could cool down. He got his tongue hanging out like a dog. I can't believe he got his tongue hanging out like that. He is panting like a dog.
Oh, that's cute.
Oh,
This is adorable.
Dad, come here, come here.
Yeah.
Deadline is 7.